Hey y'all, it's MissUniqueBeautii in the building, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys my custom handmade mermaid lock extensions. I did go ahead and use my handmade 4-inch lock extensions, and I paired them with my raw Cambodian wavy curly bundles. I did get my bundles in the bulk version just because you get more hair for your buck when you purchase it in bulk instead of cutting it right off the track. I do sell these on my Etsy shop. I have them in the length 18-inch, 24-inch, and 30 inches. In this video, these are the 30-inch versions. If you guys love these lock extensions, like and follow for more. I will be showing you guys how you can temporarily install them into your locks, or how you can do a permanent version of installing them if that's what you guys are interested in. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video.